Tired of the same old WhatsApp stickers? Let's transform your chats with your own custom creations. First, you'll need a sticker maker app. There are many great options available on both iOS and Android. For this tutorial, we'll be using a popular one. Search for Sticker Maker in your app store and download one with good reviews. Once you have your app open, look for an option to create a new sticker pack or something similar. This is where all your custom stickers will live. Now, it's time to pick your image. You can choose photos of yourself, your friends, your pets, or even a funny meme. Tap the Add Photo or Stick button to browse your phone's gallery and select the image you want to turn into a sticker. Most sticker maker apps offer tools to crop your image and, importantly, remove the background. You can often use a Magic Wand tool that automatically detects and removes the background, or manually erase any unwanted parts. Aim to isolate your subject cleanly. Want to add a little extra flair? You can usually add borders, text, or even emojis around your sticker. Experiment with different fonts and colors to make your stickers pop. Once you're happy with your design, hit the Save or Done button. Your sticker will now be added to your newly created sticker pack. To use your amazing stickers, you'll need to add the sticker pack to WhatsApp. Look for an option like Add to WhatsApp within your Sticker Maker app. This requires you to have the WhatsApp app installed. And there you have it. You can now head over to your WhatsApp chats and send your personalized stickers to impress your friends. Get creative and have fun expressing yourself.